Hello creative cooks and fictional foodies, and welcome back to the Witch's Kitchen. This is Fictional Foods Vegan, the channel where we bring your favorite fictional foods to life. And this week, in our celebration and honoring of our father, we are making you a fictional food straight out of Rivendell. That's right, one of our dad's favorite book series and movie series is The Lord of the Rings. And we are sharing a throwback video with an updated recipe. In the video, back in America, we tested out making lembas bread, but they kind of turned out more like cookies, so we called them lembas cookies. And we didn't share a recipe for that one because it wasn't the result that we wanted. But this week, we are recipe testing a lembas bread that's actually supposed to be similar to what is in the book, and we will include that recipe on our Ko-fi page instead of the lembas cookie recipe. We hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a like if you did. Comment down below with some recipes that you would like to see brought to life. And of course, subscribe so that you can always see our videos when they're posted. That's all for now. Let's get into it. See you in the kitchen. Welcome and welcome back, Melon. This week, we're traveling to Middle Earth to try a special snack straight from Galadriel's kitchen. I grew up watching the Lord of the Rings franchise. I've read The Hobbit, and I'm a great fan of Tolkien's works. Thanks, Dad. And thanks to Tofu Kato for making a suggestion that I try going back to my Elvish roots and making a dessert or a fictional food from the Lord of the Rings. This week's fictional treat is going to be lembas bread, an Elvish bread that they take on journeys that can last for a long period of time if it's wrapped in malon leaves, and it's strong enough, or it's hearty enough, to fill a grown man for a day at least. Or is it 3 days?
Lembas. Elvish waybread. One small bite is enough to fill the stomach of a grown man. How many did you eat? 4.
Good morning. What do you mean? Do you mean to wish me a good morning, or do you mean that it is a good morning whether I want it or not?
If you're taking your own trip to Mordor and you've run out of malon leaves, you can wrap your lembas bread in banana leaves instead, but it is mainly for decoration. Since I'm not going anywhere, however, I'm just going to try them as they are. Here we have my lembas bread. It's not really bready or cakey like it's described in the book. It's more like a cookie. So I think it would be more appropriate to call these lembas cookies. And as you can see, they're not cream colored. They are described as being cream colored in the book. I think I baked them for a little too long, and also the nut butter probably added to the tan color of the cookie. But let's give it a try anyway. I definitely like the look of this cookie because the peanut butter gave it layers. I don't know if you could tell when I showed you if it looks like it has layers, but it does, and I think that's really cool. However, these cookies are kind of dry. It would be good to have them with a nice warm drink, like a hot chocolate or something like that. I think this would make an amazing cheesecake crust. Since my lembas bread turned out more like a cookie than something that's cakey, I'm not going to post the recipe. I'm still perfecting it, but follow me on Ko-fi so you can know when I do post the recipe. And if you just want to see this to try it as a cheesecake crust for yourself, let me know and I'll post it anyway. Plus, if you'd like to see more fictional foods, you can click the card above and watch my video that I did last week, and make sure to leave comments down below for any other fictional foods that you'd like veganized and brought to life. For now, thank you for joining me on this adventure, and I hope to see you and help make new recipes with you in the next video. Until then, I hope you all are having a great day and eat well and travel often. Bye.